Oh, you wanna play? You wanna play? Oh, no. Hi, Clarke. Oh. Wow, what are you doing? Coloring the police car? What color is that? Blue. Very good. What color is that? Red. What color is this? What color is this? What color is that? Orange. Clarke, there's your car, oh. Look at your car, oh. Wow. Where's your police car? Get your police car. Get your police car. Police car. What's that, Clarke? Red car. Red car. You need to do it the other way. The other way? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Is it too sunny? Sunny outside? Is it too sunny? Oh, go. Drive your car. Put in the biscuit inside the compartment. Now drive your car. Driving your car. Oh, put. No more battery. No more battery. Drive. Oh, red car. Oh, red car. Red car. Another red car. Red car. Red car. What's that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, Daddy will help you. Uh-oh. Open the door. Let's open the door. And put your colors inside. Wow. Very good. Wow. Oh, put your red car inside. Wow. Good job. Good job. Good job. Drive your car. Wow, reversing. Good job, Clarke. Reversing. Oh, where are your shades? Wow, shades. Where are your shades? How to put your shades? How to put your shades? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wala na po. Uh-oh. You need to be careful. You need to be careful. What's inside your compartment? Oh, crayons. Crayons. You're trying to color the door? Crayons. Crayons. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. What's that? What's that? Uh-oh. What's that? What color is that? Violet. 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 Look, oh. Violet, oh. Violet. Violet. What color is that? What color is this? Red. Red color. Wow, lining up your crayons. Lining up the crayons. Very good, Clarke. Very good. Oh, line up those as well. Oh, what's that? Red car. Red car. Wow, where's your red car? There. Red car. Red car. Red car. What's that? What color is that? Blue. Blue color. Blue color. What color is this? What color is this? Gray. Gray color. What color is that? Green. Green color. Green color. What color is that? This is red violet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Red violet. And then what color is the last one? Blue green. Blue green. There's something else inside. Oh, there are too many. There's still too many. What color is that? White. Color white and color brown. And what else are those? This is yellow orange. Yellow orange. And this one? Violet red. It says violet red. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, get your car. Put your crayons inside your car. Oh, there's still more inside. What color is that? Can I see what color is that? It says apricot. Apricot. Ooh, that's complicated. Too complicated. And what is this one? Yellow. Color yellow. Is there something else inside? Red car. Red car. Ooh. Very good. Oh, put your crayons inside your car. Can you put your crayons inside your car? Let's put inside. Let's put inside. Put inside. Ooh, you need to be careful. Uh-oh. Can you drive your car? Play with your red car. Oh, play with your red car. Red car. Red car. What color are those? What color are those? Red car. Red car. Ah, there are too many as well in there. Clarke. Clarke. Daddy's putting inside the crayons in your car. Clarke, oh? Clarke? 1, 2. Look at Daddy, oh. Oh, you don't want to put inside? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, you need to be careful. You need to be careful. Look at Daddy. 1. 1. 1. That's color green. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Wow, red car. Pushing the red car. Red car. What's that? Oh, give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy. Uh-oh, give it to Daddy. No, 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 no. Oh, give it to Daddy. Very good. Uh-oh. Oh, you need to be careful. What's that? Police car. Police car. Wow, 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 wow. Police car. Wow, 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 wow. Police car. Wow. Police car. White police car. What's that? Color brown. 1. Oh, put more those. There. 1. 1. Clarke, 1 crayon. 1. 2. Good job. 2. 3. 4. What else? What else? What else, Clarke? What's that? Is that a crayon? What else? Put those there. 4. Wala na po. 4, 5, 6, 7, Put more. Put more toes. 7. 7. Go, 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 go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good, Clarke. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20! Yay! Oh, 21, 22. Good job! Yay! Oh, you need to be careful. What color is this? Color brown. Brown color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What color is that? What color is that? This is color apricot. It says apricot. Can you count them? Can you count them, Clarke? Count them, please. Wow, lining up those crayons. Wow. Very good. Can you count? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22 crayons. Where is your eyes? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Eyes. Where's your nose? Show daddy your nose. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? You need to be careful. Do not run. Go, 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 go. Getting the crayon. Oh, uh-oh. Can you ride your car? Can you ride your car, Clarke? Can you ride your car, please? Look up. Oh, riding your car. Riding your car. Wow, lining up those crayons. Should be like this. Wow, lining up those crayons. Good job. Where's your nose? What does Clarke? Ooh. What does the dog says? What color is that? What color is that? Ay, strong? Strong. You're strong. Need to be careful. 1. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 1. Where's your police car? There! Police car. Police car. Should be there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Police car. Wow. 1, 2. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's another one. Uh-oh. Oops, you need to be careful. Uh-oh. Fix your hair. Fix your hair. Oh, what's that? Oh, saan ang iba? Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3. Let's count, Clarke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Uh-oh, I think one piece is missing. Wow, very good. 22. Good job, Clarke. Oh, look at those. Beautiful colors. Clap your hands. Good. What's that? What's that? Try opening it. Here. Let's open. Oh, what's that? What's inside? What's inside? Can you open it? Can you open it? Daddy will help you. Uh-oh, you need to be careful. Just one, alright? Just one? Okay, that's enough. Just one. Wipe your hands. Very good. Very good. Look at this. Wow. Very good, Clarke. Here. Wow, very good. Very good. What color is that? Uh-oh. Just in the paper. Just in the paper. Daddy will give you a paper. Alright?